ನಾವು ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 3 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾದ್ಯಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಬೆಂಬಲ ದೊರಕಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಗುಣಮುಖರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಂಜುನಾಥಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಧನ್ವಂತರಯೇ ನಮಃ. Heartily welcome to introductory video on SDM Education Society's Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Ayurveda, Hassan, Karnataka, India. Most Reverend Dharmadhikari of Shri Kshetra Dharmasthala, Rajashri Padma Vibhushana, Dr. D. Virendra Hegade established Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Ayurveda and Hospital at Hassan in 1992. The city is historically familiar as Simhasanapuri and geographically known as Karnataka's poor man's Ooty. A 40 acres huge campus in a serene location of Tanniruhalla on Bengaluru-Mangaluru highway, where 25 acres of space is utilized for college infrastructure, which includes a 6-storied marvelous college building of 1,15,000 square feet. Boys Hostel Harsha, Girls Hostel Hemavati, 2 staff quarters complexes and a neat playground too. This infrastructure with green campus paves an ideal platform for an Ayurveda institution. Eternal science for global health is the vision. Quality Ayurveda education and healthcare services. Training Ayurveda graduates and specialists for healthcare services of mankind. Conducting global standard researches in Ayurveda blended with modern science and technology to set international standard for Ayurveda science. These are the mission of this institution.
Realizing the Indian contribution of the science to the world science, Dr. D. Virendra Hegade, Dharmadhikari of Sri Kshetra Dharmasthala, has contributed 3 Ayurveda colleges and 5 Ayurveda hospitals in Karnataka. Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Ayurveda and Hospital Hassan is established in 1992 with the special interest of catering Ayurveda education to the students of in and around Hassan and healthcare to the world population. This institution attracts the students across the world for the facility which is catered by the organization. In the memory of 25th anniversary of this institution, management has contributed a unique building complex for housing 15 teaching departments and research wing in this college. College has the various facilities in the teaching department like laboratories in each department, museum, separate cabins for the teachers, and these departments has contributed around 1,500 research papers and good number of research projects. Recently, the institution has proudly done the research in the field of COVID-19. Government of India, Ministry of Ayush has supported this multi-center clinical research, which has increased the possibility of Ayurveda treatment in treating COVID-19 patients. This year, the organization has received around 67 university ranks in the post-graduation and around 40 ranks in undergraduation. The institution also has a special unit for manuscripts, and the old manuscripts have been collected and research is being done in this field. Same way, the teaching pharmacy of the institution produced around 30 research products. This way, the organization has gained the popularity across India and developed a memorandum of understanding, especially in the pioneer health institution in the health sciences, especially the Moscow first Sachinova University, which is 265 years old medical institution, and also recently we have entered an understanding with the Nippon Ayurveda Medical College of Japan. Overall, the vision of Dr. D. Virendra Hegde has come true in performance of Ayurveda, especially for patient care.
At the entrance of the ground floor of college building, ambient atmosphere welcomes you where receptionist and administrative office are located. A digital evaluation room has been established separately, which is first of its kind in the state, where university examination answer scripts are evaluated online. There are 2 separate conference halls for academic and administration related meetings. A total of 6 lecture halls which are well ventilated and equipped with internet and LCD projector. Seating capacity of 100 students are provided in first, second and third floor of the building. In addition to these halls, a central seminar hall is in the 5th floor with 300 seating capacity, which is utilized for various programs of the college. Skill Lab is another unique venture of this institution, provided with over 100 innovative teaching modules as charts, models, electronically mechanized units to avail hands-on training to young Ayurveda students to expertise their skill and practical knowledge in Ayurveda. Media department is a well-equipped studio where academic lectures and mass education talks on Ayurveda are recorded and telecasted through various social media continuously to propagate Ayurveda. College library functions from morning 9 o'clock till night 10 p.m. This knowledge bank has 22,000 books, 31 national and international health journals, over 5,000 e-books and journals, and a digital library of 30 computers, seating capacity of 250 seats, and a software OPAC which helps students to access all the collections in this library. Research department is a technical team which monitor, evaluate, record and publish the dissertations, thesis and funded research projects to facilitate quality researches. Over 1,000 post-graduation and PhD theses, over 80 fund researchers have been successfully processed and completed, and 1,400 research articles have been published in various national and international indexed health journals through this department till now. Manuscript Museum and Laboratory has done collection, processing, preservation, interpretation, digitalization and publications of over 1,125 manuscripts, is contributing to unravel the treasure of Ayurveda wisdom. Samhita and Siddhanta PG department involved in unraveling the textual wisdom of ancient Ayurveda scriptures and revalidating them by conducting observational researches. Post-graduation department of Sharira Rachana not only teach anatomy and conduct dead body dissection, but also promotes body donations and has registered 325 persons for the voluntary donation of their bodies till date. Anatomy Specimen Museum is nationwide recognized academics museum. A bone bank is providing students the human bones to study. Gnanasrotas is a biennial magazine published by All India Sharira Rachana Institute head office at this department and sponsoring gold medals for toppers of Sharira Rachana in under and post-graduation university examinations. Post-graduation department of Sharira Kriya is South India's first post-graduation department and has to its credit the highest number of rank holders and scientific article publication at university level. The assessment of psychosomatic constitution, Prakriti Vivechana, for all OPD and IPD clients is carried out by this department. Post-graduation department of Dravyaguna has continuously bagged gold medal in post-graduation examination for 4 consecutive years. This department has installed and maintaining about 5,400 various medicinal plants in Herbal Garden 7 campus. Department conducts community awareness programs on home remedies and single herb usage. A model teaching pharmacy is successfully functioning at post-graduation department of Rasashastra and Bhaisajya Kalpana, where over 30 Ayurveda preparations are manufactured to cater to dispensary of the hospital. This unit prepares all the medicines for thesis, dissertations, and research projects of the institution by certifying their authenticity and quality at Quality Control Lab in the pharmacy. Swasthavrita and Yoga Post-Graduation Department is equipped with kitchen lab to train students to prepare Ayurveda therapeutic diet, and scientific yoga training is done to enable students to teach yoga as per health needs. This department takes care of diet unit and yoga center in the hospital. PG Department of Roganidhana and Vikriti Vijnana imparts knowledge regarding causes, pathology and sign symptoms of various diseases, which helps to diagnose the disease. Prasuti Tantra and Stree Roga PG Department prepare the students for comprehensive health care of pregnant and delivered mother, in particular women of all age groups in general through Ayurveda. Experts organize mass health education talks and camps to enhance health status of women with Ayurveda. Kaumara Bhritya. The Ayurveda Pediatrics PG department is endowed with efficient experts, well-equipped museum and working successfully to train students regarding healthcare needs of children. Swarnamrita Prashana camp, breastfeeding awareness, nutrition awareness programs are frequently conducted for the health and welfare of children population in community. PG Department of Panchakarma enlightens undergraduate and postgraduate students through hands-on training and demonstrations to expertise in quality Panchakarma therapies. This department attracts short-term course students for Panchakarma from different corners of the globe to popularize Ayurveda across the world. Kaya Chikitsa and Manoroga Chikitsa PG departments are untiringly training Ayurveda students to excel in the knowledge of Daiva Vyapashraya, Yukti Vyapashraya and Sattva Vajaya treatment modalities to successfully treat psychosomatic, somatic diseases and adverse effect of addictions through classical Ayurveda principles. Agadatantra PG department deals with analysis and medico-legal aspects of various poisons and toxins. The preventive and curative Ayurveda measures to combat the ill effects of poisons is taught to budding Ayurveda doctors. Shalya Tantra PG department focus on unique therapies like Agni Karma, Kshara Karma and Shastra Karma to alleviate chronic wounds, piles, fissures, fistula and tumors. Shalakya Tantra is yet another unique clinical PG department which trains students to treat eye, ear, nose, throat, head and oral diseases through most effective therapies of Ayurveda. This institute offers opportunity for 100 students for the admission of BAMS graduation course and 80 students to avail post-graduation education in 14 disciplines along with 6 specialities of PhD as well. Thus, this institute has contributed over 2,000 Ayurveda graduates and over 500 specialists of Ayurveda to serve the community across the globe.